السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today we will be reading a story called Help Others. فاستبقوا الخيرات. Compete with one another in doing good. One day, Bilal and Khadija came back from school. After saying Assalamu alaikum, they hugged their mother with excitement. Mummy had prepared delicious food for them, which they happily ate. Once Mummy was sure they don't need anything, she went to her room to have some rest, as she was feeling tired. Bilal and Khadija went to the kitchen and saw there were lots of unwashed dishes. Bilal said, "I'm going to wash the dishes and help Mummy as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes those who help others." Khadija agreed and said, "I would help you and together we can finish quicker." After a while, their mummy woke up. She was very surprised and pleased that all the dishes were washed. "Jazakallah guys for doing this and allowing me to get some rest." "It's okay, Mummy," they said. "We knew that you were tired and wanted to help as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants us to help one another." This is the end of the story. We should help others whenever possible as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes those who help others. Jazakallahu khair wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.